Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Last class we started with MCQ.
Yes, sir.
I think we went reverse.
Yes, sir. We started from 55.
Fine. How many we completed?
1 second. I didn't write the number. Just let me check the PDF file.
Last class we have completed till 55,
55. We did.
55, 54, 53, 54, even I think 50, 49, till 50 we have done.
Sir.
Till 50 we did. Now sum number 49. Just one of you read. Can you read sum number 49?
Sir, I'm opening the PDF.
Test paper you have written?
No, sir.
When you are going to write? Next week?
No, can I submit it to you by tomorrow? Tomorrow I'll submit it, pakka.
Okay. Everything is now up to you. If you want to get very good marks, you have to do things regularly. If you want to only pass, then irregular. If you want to click in neat, then extraordinary work.
What was her question? A
49.
closed organ pipe and an open organ pipe of same length produce 2 beats per second when they are in their fundamental mode. If the length of open organ pipe is now halved and of closed organ pipe is doubled, then the number of beats produced per second will be.
Okay. So slightly difficult sum in understanding. If you have understood, then it will become easy. A closed pipe and open organ pipe are of same length, and when sounded together they are giving 2 beats per second. That means difference in the frequency of closed pipe and open pipe of same length is 2 beats per second. First condition. If length of open pipe is made, if length of open organ pipe is half and closed pipe is double means twice, then what is the number of beat heard? What is number of beat heard in new case? Last class I solved one sum where I told, please remember, if open pipe is suddenly closed, frequency will become half, or closed pipe open, then frequency becomes double. Reason, frequency of closed pipe is V by 4L and open pipe is V by 2L. That means when you divide, you will get closed pipe upon open pipe is 2 upon 4. So frequency of open pipe of same length is double of closed. Understood this meaning?
Yes, sir.
So if I have a closed pipe, I open it, then frequency will become double. Or if I have closed pipe, open pipe and close this, frequency will become half. So they are telling in first case, दो pipe है, एक open एक closed length is same. So can I say open pipe का frequency is double of closed pipe? Also, difference in frequency of them is given 2 beat. So 2 times closed minus 1 time closed is 2. So closed 2 minus this is 2. So closed का frequency is 2 at the start. Open is double, that means 4. ये original है. Now, when open pipe is half, any relation between frequency and length, if you recollect? Frequency and length, any relation? Inverse or direct?
Inverse, right?
Inverse. That means when you are making the pipe ka length आधा, so frequency of nap will become double, no? तो पहला 4 था,
Yes, sir.
अभी double मतलब 8 हो जाएगा. And for closed pipe, when length is doubled, closed pipe का, for closed pipe, length is doubled. So frequency will become half of original. Original is 2, मतलब 1. Now what will be bit frequency? Open pipe minus closed pipe का difference is 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Okay? मस्त समय ना एकदम,
Yes, sir.
दिमाग को एकदम फ्रेश कर दिया आपने. Right. Again, which medicine you are trying? Child specialist, gynec,
voice broke.
सब important time पे voice broke हो जाता है.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Can you please repeat your voice?
No,
Is
just
breaking.
just copy this up. Copy this up. Completed writing?
Yes, sir, right. Writing the last part. Done, sir.
The next one, very beautiful sum. A string is fixed at both ends. A string is fixed at both ends. Wherever string is fixed, we get node. It is vibrating in lowest mode. Lowest mode means fundamental. Lowest mode means fundamental mode. For which a point at quarter of its length from one end is at maximum. Quarter means 1/4. So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4. At 1/4 it is maximum amplitude. That means indirectly they are saying 2 loops are formed. That is fundamental, not one loop. A string fixed at both ends is vibrating in lowest mode of vibration for which a point at quarter of length is maximum displacement point. The frequency in this mode is 100. So frequency fundamental is 100 Hz. When the string vibrates in the next mode such that the given point is again point of maximum displacement. This given point is again point of maximum displacement. Means here again NT node will be formed. And wherever it is fixed, auto guaranteed a node. Then what is frequency emitted now? So they are telling in basic mode there are 2 loops. In fundamental mode we have 2 loops. In fundamental mode we have 2 loops and frequency is 100 Hz. So next mode, if you are having 4 loop, then it will become twice fundamental. If 1 loop is fundamental, then 2 loop is twice fundamental, 3 loop is thrice fundamental, and so on. But in this case, fundamental is not with 1 loop, it is with 2 loop. So 2 loop का multiple will give me fundamental frequency का multiple. पहला ये समझा सबको?
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
So I will check के कितना loop आएगा in next mode if again NT node is at same place. Next mode means one extra node I had told you. One extra node is called as next mode. ये कितना loop है बता सकते हैं अभी? ये वाला कितना loop हो गया इधर से इधर तक?
1.5.
1.5. Very good. Superb. 1.5 loop बराबर. तो ये half loop था ना पहला, अभी 1.5 हो गया. तो ये अगला वाला भी हाफ, अगला वाला भी हाफ, ऐसा कितना हाफ है? 4 times है ना हाफ?
हाँ.
So this will become एक point हाफ का 1.5, तो अगला हाफ का भी 1.5, so 6 लूप होएगा ना फिर? नहीं समझा?
हाँ. Understood.
Because if I draw diagram तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा. So half loop becomes 1.5 loop. Then 2 loop will become how many loop? 1.5 means 3/2. So it is becoming how many loop? 1 minute. Half loop becomes 1.5. Half becomes 1.5. So 2 loop will become 2 into 1.5 upon half. That is 4 into 1.5, 6 loops. Clear? हाँ सबसे डिफिकल्ट समझ में आया कॉन्सेप्ट?
हाँ सर.
पहले हाफ लूप था, अभी हाफ के जगह पे वो 1.5 हो गया. तो स्टार्ट में अगर ऐसा हाफ 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 4 बार है तो 1.5 का 4 टाइम्स मतलब 6 loops. So in fundamental mode frequency is 100 where 2 loops are there. So frequency with 6 loops will be 3 times fundamental, that is 300 Hz. 2 loop का triple is 6. So 100 का triple is 300. Solve now full. Any official announcement regarding college reopening? I didn't saw the news.
No, sir. I think yesterday I saw on the news that they're gonna keep schools and colleges closed.
Acha, they so told it will be closed.
Yes, sir. And even lately, for the past few days, like Borivali, Kandivali, and Malad, these areas have the most cases.
No, no. Now the people are coming out. They have lost that precaution wala skill.
Yeah, sir. Like
That's why cases are increasing.
people
People,
don't understand. Exactly, people don't understand that lockdown क्यों खुला क्योंकि economy was falling
yeah,
down.
yeah,
People
yeah.
have
But
work. Doesn't
we
mean
have we have
business is
not
under.
we have not got control over corona.
Exactly, sir.
You have to be very careful when you're moving out.
We don't move out at all. Like
No, no.
Nana Nani are at home all the time, right? So if for their protection and stuff, even I and mom go out.
Because one sir is there. His dad is 92 years of age. He got COVID yesterday, and today he expired. So those who are aged, they have to take their care.
Yes, sir. And even Pranab Mukherjee died. Even he had corona.
His age was also, I think, 84, na?
Yeah, he had a blood clot in the brain and corona.
Acha. See, such people, if they can die, then they get height of infrastructure. Because there he was prime minister, president.
President.
President means what level of doctors might be treating him.
Hmm.
Now 13th September is exam of NEET people.
Huh.
They
So
have to take again precaution.
what do you think? Like
I think it should be conducted and once for all.
exactly. ऊपर से वो रिपीटर्स बेचारे कितने टाइम
और
के
क्या एक दो जन को होएगा ना तो we should be prepared कि इनको हम एडमिट करके कंट्रोल करें.
हाँ.
It can happen ना अगर precaution नहीं लिया तो एक आध जन को हो सकता है. But on that day possibility of getting corona affected is very least because everybody will be extra cautious.
Hmm.
जो रिपीट कर रहे हैं वो तो अभी इतना फ्रस्ट्रेशन में है ना they have stopped doing anything.
Yeah, sir. I noticed.
नहीं सबने वैसे ही कर दिया. देखो अभी आई हैव गॉट मेनी स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम लक्ष्य वाले ने तो 3 महीने पहले से ही सब बंद कर दिया. खाली लास्ट मोमेंट पे आई डोंट नो आकाश दे रहा है कि नहीं. रेस्ट एवरीबॉडी इज स्टॉप नाउ. तो कितना पढ़ाएंगे ना सबका न्यू बैच का भी प्रॉब्लम.
I noticed college again started taking test, online test of the जो अभी नीट दे रहे हो.
अच्छा
सबको 120 के ऊपर, सबको 130 के आसपास या फिर
तो सब कॉपी कर रहे हैं.
either that or they're studying very well.
No. Otherwise the college is giving paper of less difficulty level so that people should not get demotivated at last stage.
That is also possible. I'm done copying.
Yes. See, at this stage now, you have to be just not lose your confidence. Any student. Because I have seen that every student is intelligent. Lack of planning, lack of guidance reduces the mark. Otherwise, if you are working hard, there is no means by which you should get less mark. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. I don't know. I may be wrong also.
Nice, you do have a point.
Because last 2-3 years I am experiencing that almost every child is intelligent, but not in one direction. He is multi-direction student.
Should I read the question?
This is the question. I'm just diagrammatic based. I'm just drawing the diagram.
Yes, sir.
This is also very, very important question. Again.
She is not there.
अरे गायब हो जाती है देखो बीच बीच में.
I think she was having network issues, right?
आज से थोड़ी है ना यार. जब से ज्वाइन किया तब से नेटवर्क इशू है. मैंने उनका पेरेंट्स को बोला आप नेटवर्क पहले चेंज कर दो.
अरे sir, it's some students generally have the problem and sometimes fake it.
No, 90% is fake.
क्योंकि जब मेरा हुआ था.
नहीं मैं क्या बोलता हूँ. मैं भी तो वही काम कर रहा हूँ ना. सपोज आई एम ए स्टूडेंट तो मेरा भी तो खराब होना चाहिए ना.
हाँ.
तो मेरा नहीं हो रहा है मतलब बाकी लोग का भी नहीं होता होगा. Earlier I had the problem when I was using this cable वाला network.
हाँ, but then you shifted to Jio fiber, I think.
So Jio, I have taken that Dougal ना. So I am not finding that problem.
I tried that also, but I tried Jio fiber for my, but it's not available over here.
Luckily I got in lockdown. They were like in our building they had come for promotion.
Nice.
Otherwise, it was very difficult to conduct the class.
It took me 3 weeks to change my Wi-Fi ka plan.
Somebody sent me WhatsApp. Yeah, I mean nowadays you have to only rely on best Wi-Fi system. Nothing else can prevent
I
anything.
was using the mobile hotspots.
हाँ.
Like सुबह like college lecture के लिए मेरा phone and then खत्म हो जाता mom का phone.
See, very conceptual sum. Question is, vibration of 4 air column are represented in figure. The ratio of frequency NP, NQ, NR, NS will be in which order? अब एक मिनट, हाँ खाली मैं कॉन्सेप्ट बताता हूँ. अगर ये n है, ये 2n है, ये
Sir.
3n. यस डियर.
आप वापस से बता सकते हो प्लीज?
अरे आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है ना, वही तो है.
नहीं नहीं सर, माय इंटरनेट कनेक्शन वाज वीक सो.
No, no, but whatever I have drawn, that too you can see, no?
अच्छा, तो गिव मी सम टाइम नाउ टू रीड द क्वेश्चन.
Take 2-3 minutes you take. When you have read the question, just alert me. I will move.
हाँ सर, थैंक यू.
Thank you. Thank you.
हाँ सर, समझा.
नहीं समझा कैसे होगा? अभी तो ऐसा बोला है 4 पाइप है, सबका लेंथ सेम है, but few are
हाँ.
open, few are closed with different loops
हाँ.
inside. What is frequency का ratio? So I just I'm telling, if first वाले का frequency n, second वाले का 2n, 3n, 4n, then I will write 1:2:3:4. Huh? If I get this
हाँ.
with it. So if I consider this is my measuring parameter, मतलब हर एक का आंसर मैं p का फ्रीक्वेंसी में निकालू. नहीं समझ रहा है? p का फ्रीक्वेंसी
हाँ हाँ
एग्जांपल है n.
समझा बिकॉज़ इट्स n. हाँ हाँ.
अभी ये क्या होएगा
हाँ.
मुझे मालूम नहीं,
समझा.
मैंने एग्जांपल बोला 2n, 3n, 4n. बट अगर 3n भी आया तो मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? रेशियो में सब कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ.
Okay. So I'm assuming let frequency of p is n. Which mode of vibration is p? Can you see the diagram and tell? Which mode? Which mode? Samya? Which mode is this? Minimum
it is-
antinode, minimum node, मतलब ये फंडामेंटल है.
ओ वैसे हाँ.
और कैसे करेंगे ना?
नहीं मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई थी.
फंडामेंटल तब समझिए. फंडामेंटल. So let frequency of p be n, which is actually closed pipe का फंडामेंटल है. बराबर?
हाँ.
Again you followed?
हाँ सर.
First pipe is closed pipe with minimum antinode, minimum node. That means fundamental mode. So I said let frequency of p be n, मतलब frequency of closed pipe p नाम है उसका, n लिया. समझ में आया? So can I say
हाँ.
direct np n को assume किया चलेगा ऐसा? हाँ ना?
हाँ.
Okay.
हाँ.
ये कौन सा मोड है ओपन पाइप का? ओपन पाइप है, लेकिन मोड कौन सा है? क्लियर दिख रहा है ना? मिनिमम लूप है ना, एक एंटी नोड दोनों एंड पे और एक ही नोड है ना बीच में, तो ये भी फंडा ही है ना.
हाँ.
नहीं समझ में आया लगता है. फंडामेंटल क्या बोलते हैं, किसको बोलते हैं फंडामेंटल? जिसके पास मिनिमम रहता है ना वाइब्रेशन. तो क्लोज्ड पाइप में मिनिमम एक एंटी नोड, एक नोड. ओपन पाइप में ऊपर एक एंटी नोड, नीचे एक एंटी नोड, बीच में एक नोड होएगा ना. ये तो ये फंडा ही हुआ ना.
हाँ.
अभी हम लोग ने क्या रीड किया थोड़ा देर पहले? व्हेन क्लोज्ड पाइप इज ओपन, सेम लेंथ वाला, सेम मोड वाला, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी डबल होता है ना. सो कैन आई से NQ इज n, डबल ऑफ n.
हाँ.
ये दो समझा तो ही आगे कर सकते हैं.
नहीं से समझा. आपने जब मोड पूछा ना, मैं से फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ दिमाग में आ रहा था.
एक सेकंड. नाउ थर्ड पाइप इज ओपन पाइप ना, ये ओपन है और ये फिर से क्लोज्ड है. लेंथ सेम है, मोड अलग अलग है. चलो यकीन आप मुझे बताओ अभी कितना नोड एक्स्ट्रा आया इसमें कंपेयर टू फंडामेंटल? एक एक्स्ट्रा आया ना, दिख रहा है ना?
2.
एक नोड, इधर 2 नोड एक्स्ट्रा. कितना?
8.
This is called second mode of vibration. Second mode का frequency is 2 times fundamental or not?
Yes, sir.
तो ये Q का फंडामेंटल का डबल है ना, Q तो 2n है, तो ये 4n हुआ क्या? नहीं, नहीं समझ में आया।
नहीं समझा समझा.
समझा?
हाँ
Q,
समझा.
Q वाले का फंडामेंटल 2n है,
2n.
और नेक्स्ट वाला डबल 2nq, तो
हाँ.
हाँ, so it
4n।
is 4.
अब ये क्लोज्ड पाइप है, ये भी सेकंड मोड है क्या? नहीं, क्लोज्ड पाइप का,
हाँ.
बिकॉज पहला एक नोड था, अभी 2 नोड हो गया ना, तो एक एक्स्ट्रा नोड, सेकंड मोड।
So it will be the double of.
क्लोज्ड पाइप का सेकंड मोड 3 टाइम्स फंडामेंटल ऑफ फंडामेंटल होता है, बराबर?
हाँ.
तो 3 टाइम्स n और नॉट।
Right.
नाउ टेल मी रेशियो क्या सही समय है? रेशियो विल बी 1:2:4:3, one of the beautiful sum. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. When you practice once again,
No.
if doubt comes, please ask. But if you are not practicing, I cannot do anything. खाली मैं 12th में आपको पास करा सकता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरा पहचान है, because due to experience I know list of questions.
Yes, sir.
नहीं तो आप बोले सर पढ़ाना
नहीं.
छोड़ दो ना, ऐसे क्वेश्चन दो ना, पास तो नहीं करते।
Nice.
हाँ। Go slow, no problem, understand and then write and do. Completed?
नहीं सर.
आराम से 2 बार मत करो, एक ही बार करो। लेकिन आप 2 बार कर रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं सर.
अच्छा, मुझे ना 2-3 बार लिख रहे थे, एक ही बार।
Done sir.
Can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
अभी इसका भी रिकॉर्डिंग भेजूंगा, रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, तो मिस अगर किसका बाई चांस डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया तो टेंशन मत लेना। Can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 46. Stationary wave of sound of frequency. Stationary wave of sound of frequency 240 Hz are formed in air column if the speed of sound is 360, shortest distance between node and nearest antinode. What is shortest distance between node and anti-node? Shortest distance between node and anti-node. From characteristics, can you tell me?
Lambda by 2.
4. Lambda by 4.
Achha. Okay.
Consecutive node, consecutive antinode lambda by 2. Node and nearest antinode lambda by 4. So lambda means V by N, isn't it? V is N lambda. Na? So lambda is V by N.
Yes, sir.
V is 360. N is 240 into 4. 0 cancel. 4 9s are 36. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. So 0.8 3s are 24. 75 meter. Okay. 0.375 meter. Done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next some diagram is given. I am drawing the diagram and then I am reading the question. First string is of length L. This is a pipe closed at one end having length L. Another pipe is having length 2L closed at one end. Third pipe is open but length is L by 2. Third pipe is L by 2 closed at 1. Now I am reading the question. Figure represents stretched string of length L and pipe ABCD respectively of length L, 2L, L by 2, L by 2 respectively. String tension is so adjusted. The speed of wave in the string is same as that in the air. So here V and here V is same speed. The fundamental mode of setup is in the string. In the string there is fundamental mode of setup, matlab one loop. The in which pipe sound produced by string will be resonance. Question followed? नहीं समझा रहेगा.
I understood.
Understood? Then explain me.
Okay, so we have pipes A, B, C, and D. A is L, B is 2L, C and D are L by 2, L by 2. S- so string tension is okay. I don't know how to explain it, but
Tension is so adjusted that speed remains same in air column as well as in string.
हाँ, so भी sound produce होगा तो resonance में I don't know how to explain it in my own words.
No, you can explain in your own word.
नहीं sir नहीं
No, you tell in any language, English, Gujarati, Hindi. No. See, one minute. I'm explaining. See whether हर एक में speed same है ना? At resonance, what else is same? What is meaning of resonance? Frequency is same. ना? ये meaning होता है. तो इधर V same है, frequency same है, मतलब lambda भी same चाहिए. V is same हर एक में. String में, string as well as that pipe में V same. Resonance में frequency भी same. तो जिसका भी lambda string के lambda के साथ match होएगा वो ही रहेगा ना resonance. So lambda must be same in the string and in some pipe, है ना?
हाँ.
So for string, I can see one loop means lambda by 2 is L. So lambda is 2L. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we have to find now which pipe will have lambda equals to 2L. For A, all are in fundamental mode, they are telling. So A is lambda by 4 equal to L or not? Fundamental में एक anti node एक node. So lambda equals to 4L. Is it matching with string? Is it matching?
No, it is string is 2L.
तो रेजोनेंस नहीं है. रेजोनेंस में सेम लैम्डा चाहिए हम लोग को इधर. फॉर बी अगेन लैम्डा बाई 4 इज डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एंटी नोड एंड नोड, बट टोटल लेंथ इज गिवन 2L. लैम्डा इज 8L. इज इट इन रेजोनेंस? नो. सी पाइप देखो अभी, पाइप सी. It is pipe open at both ends. So lambda by 2 will be the distance between two anti node here, and its length is lambda by 2. Lambda is L. ये भी रेजोनेंस नहीं है, 2L चाहिए. और D is lambda by 4 because open end, closed end, one node, one anti node, and length is given as L by 2. Length of this pipe is L by 2. So lambda by 4 is L by 2. Lambda is 2L. तो यही वाला है ना, पाइप D and string के साथ matching because its
हाँ.
wavelength is same. So D pipe is having same resonance. Beautiful sum वापस. Option D वाला pipe same resonance. This Sunday you all will write test on MCQ of stationary wave.
It's 45 questions, right?
Pardon?
45 questions, right?
45, yes, 45.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, next one.
Done, sir.
एक मिनट. Next sum. Sum number 44. A pipe of length 20 centimeter. A pipe of length 20 centimeter is closed at one end. A pipe of length 20 centimeter is closed at one end. Which harmonic mode of the pipe resonates excitedly? That means which resonance is excited with 425 of the pipe if speed of sound is given 350 meter per second, 340. Now meaning of this, if there is tuning fork of 425 hertz, तो इसमें से किसका frequency 425 के साथ मैच होएगा ये pipe का. So it can be fundamental of pipe, third harmonic, fifth harmonic, seventh harmonic, ninth harmonic, and so on. So first I am finding fundamental frequency of closed pipe, which is V upon 4 times L. V is 340 and length is 20 centimeter. Convert into meter. So this is 340 into 100 upon 80. 0, 0 cancel. 8 into 432. Remainder 2. 8 to the 16.5. So fundamental frequency of that pipe is 425. Now n given upon n fundamental is 425 upon 425 मतलब 1. n given fundamental के साथ resonate करे. Fundamental means first harmonic. Are you remembering एक 13 आया था आंसर 13.33.
हाँ वो
So we-
न्यूमेरिकल्स में
so-
आया था.
We got 6 overtone. नहीं न्यूमेरिकल में नहीं इसमें ही आया था.
दोनों में हाँ आई रिमेम्बर सर आई रिमेम्बर.
दोनों में था.
हाँ very न्यूमेरिकल्स में था. It was the 51st sound.
नहीं
You also considered as very very important.
no,
And then
we got answer. हाँ 51. Right.
and then we rounded up
Yes,
to
try this huh? Right.
और
हम्म,
क्या आप वापस से बोल सकते हो?
क्यों क्या हो गया अभी?
इंटरनेट कनेक्शन वापस अनस्टेबल हो गया.
नहीं मैं
Did you notice?
इसको मैं पोस्ट कर दूंगा. देख लेना. और
Okay.
यहाँ पर पे
You send me the recording.
हाँ
ठीक है सर.
See, I don't mind repeating 10 times, लेकिन ऐसा बार बार करेंगे तो पोर्शन कैसे कंप्लीट करूंगा? Whether I teach good or bad, if I don't complete portion, then you will scold me. Done?
Almost done. Yes, sir.
Can you have done?
Nice, sir. I'm writing.
Done, sir.
Next one. In a closed pipe, frequency of fundamental is 50. The note of the following frequencies will not be emitted. For closed pipe, fundamental frequency is given 50 Hz. So it will emit frequencies n, 3n, 5n, 7n, dot dot dot. That means 50, 150, 250, all odd multiple it will emit. They are asking which it will not emit. So 50 it will emit, B it will not emit. 100 Hz it is not going to emit. Answer B. Followed?
So,
Fundamental is 50. Next will be what? 3 times 50, 5 times 50, 7 times 50. But it can't be 2 times 50. 2 times 50 will come in open pipe. Therefore, what it will not emit? 100 it will not emit.
understood. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Done.
stationary wave is set up in resonant air column of glass tube partially filled with water by holding partially filled with water. A tube is filled. By holding a tuning fork, open end will always give you antinode and this closed will give node. So by holding tuning fork, open end of the tube is always an antinode, D option. Always an antinode.
Understood.
Next one, 41. Consider two organ pipe both closed at one end. Two organ pipe both are closed at one end. One has length L, other has length L plus delta L. If velocity is V, the number of beats heard per second is how much? Delta L is less than L. Neglect and correction. Now N1 and N2 ka difference will be beat because length of second is more, therefore its frequency is less. Both are closed pipe. So V upon 4 times L minus V upon 4 times L plus delta L equal to beat, because beat means difference of frequency. So I can take V by 4 common inside 1 upon L minus L plus delta L. So V by 4 L plus delta L minus L upon L into L plus delta L. LL cancel. So V by 4 into delta L upon L into L is L square plus L delta L. Since delta L is very small than L, so L delta L can be neglected. So therefore beads will become V by 4 delta L upon L square. This is the required answer. Solvable. Yeah.
Yes, and I'm writing.
So this much. Please revise. Coming lecture, I will complete everything for you. This chapter will get over.